Welcome everybody to your channel Competitivepedia. Today we are going to discuss current affairs regarding 7th of January 2022. So let's begin with the session. First question. Name the Union Education Minister who has recently launched NEET 3.0 and regional language textbooks prescribed by AICTE. So your correct answer is option B, Dharmendra Pradhan. Yeah. Now, Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has recently launched National Education Alliance for Technology, which is NEET 3.0, and regional language textbook prescribed by AICTE. Now, this aims to provide the best developed education tech solution and courses to the students on a single platform. Next question. Harpreet Chandi, a British woman of Indian origin, has become the only Indian woman to conquer the South Pole. So she is the first Indian woman, clear, who have conquered the South Pole. So Indian origin British woman Harpreet Chandi recently became the first Indian origin and black woman to single-handedly conquer the South Pole without any support. Harpreet, popularly known as Polar Preet, and she had made this announcement on his live blog at the end of the 40th day of the journey. Now, next question. Vinod Kanan has recently taken over as the Chief Executive Officer of which airlines? The answer is option A, Vistara Airlines. Clear? Now, Vinod Kanan has recently taken over as the Chief Executive Officer of Vistara Airlines. He has replaced Lesil Thang. Vinod Kanan has spent over 2 decades working with SIA and has held several senior positions at the airline's head office in Singapore as well as abroad. Clear? A team of astronomers has recently discovered the first magnetic field on an extraterrestrial using data from which telescope? So, the answer is option A, Hubble Space Telescope. Clear? Now, a team of astronomers recently discovered the first magnetic field on an extraterrestrial planet using data from the Hubble Space Telescope. Now, these findings were described in a journal by the name Nature Astronomy. Clear? Nature Astronomy. Now, Indian origin Ashok Eluswamy became the first employee to be hired to work for which company? So, answer is option D, Tesla. Yeah. Now, Indian origin Ashok Eluswamy recently became the first employee to be hired to work for Tesla. He is the first employee to be hired for the company's autopilot team. Before joining Tesla, Mr. Eluswamy was associated with Volkswagen Electronic Research Lab and WAPCO Vehicle Control System. Who has won Ramnath Goenka Award in photojournalism? So your answer is option A, Jishan A. Latif. Now, Jishan A. Latif has been named the winner of the Ramnath Goenka Award in photojournalism. He documented the plight of people who were dropped from the National Register of Citizens, NRC. Who has achieved the first Guinness World Record in numerology? So answer is option A, J.C. Chaudhary. The first ever Guinness World Record in numerology and the first world record of 2022 have been achieved by J.C. Chaudhary. He educated about ancient science to around 6,000 participants, enthusiasts of numerology, who joined from USA, UK, Middle East and India. Now, next, what is the theme of the National Science Day 2022? So, the answer is Integrated Approach in Science and Tech for a Sustainable Future. This is your answer. This is the theme of National Science Day for 2022. Yeah. Now, Union Minister for State Science and Technology, Dr. Jitendra Singh, launched the theme of National Science Day 2022. The theme is Integrated Approach in Science and Tech for Sustainable Future. This is in. And National Science Day is celebrated every year on 28th of February. Clear? Now, India's first paperless High Court. So, our answer is option C, Kerala High Court. It is India's first paperless High Court. Clear? So, Kerala High Court is all set to become India's first paperless High Court. Next, Losar festival is celebrated in. So, our answer is option A, Ladakh. Clear? So, the Losar festival in Ladakh is celebrated at the onset of the new year in the traditional schedule of Tibetan Buddhism. It is celebrated by the Buddhist community in the Ladakh region. It is a 15-day festival and Losar is a Tibetan word which means New Year. Clear? So guys, this was for the day. Thanks for watching the video till the end. If you like our video, please do subscribe the channel Competitivepedia and share with your friends. Happy learning from Competitivepedia. May God bless you all. Thank you.